All right, world, it's your boy Young Jorge with The Right Destination, and I am here with my beautiful family as always, and we want to give you a quick tour of our Airbnb. And today we are at Apartamentos Joya de Santa Lucia. And come along, we're going to give you a quick tour and show you where we've been staying for the last little bit. Let's check it out. All right, y'all, so we very much enjoyed this Airbnb. It's kind of a compound here that's gated, and there's a townhome community in front of it, and then in the back you have the apartments. So there's actually a handful of different playgrounds and green spaces for families to kind of just chill and hang out and enjoy this beautiful Guatemalan weather. So I'm gonna take you around the grounds and show you around, and then we'll head up and see the rooftop and then check out our unit. Come along with us. Come on, kiddos. Bring your ass. All right, let's go inside and check this place out, y'all.
Talent show, time for those who wanna show what you know. Talent show, trying to do my best in the talent show. It was really great a long time ago when all the people in the town would flow. Sing, dance, play, whatever you know. Everybody at their best in the talent show.
Now, y'all, this is what I'm talking about. This is the money shot right here, y'all. You know, we have a great view from our balcony, but coming up here on the top level, you just get to take in all the beauty. So y'all go ahead and do that. I'm gonna keep these kids in line.
Rehearsal after school, Robert's at 4. Teacher brother Charles prancing the floor. Don't know it now, they'll be cheering like pros when they see us perform at the talent show. Talent show, sing, dance, play, do whatever you know. If you can't do nothing, cheer like a pro. Watch us perform at talent show. Hey 77, hey 77, hey 77, hey 77, hey 77, hey 77. First show Friday night, parents in the crowd, rockin' soul, good wine, energy wild. Sitting in the front row, acting like you know. Wanna be your best at the talent show. Freddie in the black flames, burn with Maceo.
Who is it? It's the whole YouTube world.
Come on in.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, welcome to our crib here in Santa Lucia.
Ooh.
This is our 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. This is our dining room area here. Set for 4. Fits our family just perfectly. And we have a fully equipped kitchen here. Don't mind the extra mess we're about to check out, so this isn't a full display of what this place has to offer. We've got some eco water, our coffee, all of our appliances that we need, and as in any house crib tour, I know y'all want to see what's in the refrigerator. Milk on milk on milk, on butter, on cheese, on beer, and some extra waters. We're gonna take that all to our next place. So come on over here into the living room. Here are my beautiful children. Can you say hi? Can you say hi, Georgie? Okay. Come on this way. So this unit is really fantastic because we have washer and dryer. We don't always get the dryer. Sometimes we only get the washer and have to air dry, but whirlpool. And we've got a little full bath here. Once again, excuse the mess a little bit here, but we're just checking out, so we cleaned it up a little bit, but housekeeping will be in soon. Now he wants to say hi. This is the second bedroom. And we didn't actually use this bedroom at all because we didn't need it. We all slept in the other bedroom because it has a king size bed. And I'm gonna blame this distress on the wall to an earthquake of some sort, but we don't know. And then this is the room that we all stayed in. Extra snug, that's the way the Wrights do it, right? Yeah. So king size bed, windows that open, and then we've got a walk-in closet this way. All of our stuff is ready because we're gonna check out here soon. And then we've got another full bath in here too. This unit had really hot water, which we appreciated, right? Took some good showers, got nice and clean. Yeah. And then now for the best part of the entire unit. Our balcony, which you, especially on a clear morning, can see all 3 volcanoes here in Santa Lucia, Guatemala. It's a little cloud covered right now, but we've definitely enjoyed our morning coffee and evenings with the sunset. You really can't beat it. So yeah, that's our unit, and now we'll show you the rest of the place. Now get out of here.
Okay, so this is an example of one of the many playgrounds they have on site. So one of the cool things I enjoy is that they use nature in any way they can. Everything is lush around here. So you'll kind of see the earth tones and even some of the sticks they use to line the path. You know, those little details we enjoy. So let's check out this little mini playground. Come on, y'all. Come on, let me see you go. So this is one of our favorite things here at this complex. They actually have a trail that runs up into the hillside, and there's a lot of little seats tucked away and some tire swings and things. So the kids have loved this. Come along and let's check this part of it out too. Now, along with this being a fun walking trail, we can also get our exercise by pushing this big ass tire. Pardon my heavy breathing. Now we're gonna go get some lunch and leave them swinging there. So I figure while we're out here, I should just take you along our nightly stroll route that we usually take. Now, like I mentioned before, there's a few different parks and green spaces, and so I want to take you over to one of our favorite ones. They have a little basketball court over there and some exercise equipment, and you know, we've been very much enjoying it. So let's check it out. It's right around the corner. All right, so this is our nightly chill spot, y'all. You know, once the sun starts to go down around 6 o'clock or so at night, you know, we bring the family out here, the kids play. There's usually other families and people out here hanging out. So we are going to miss this place. Santa Lucia, you have grown on our hearts.
Traveling